From Sylvia Gary wife. You can say read it or ignore.
Read it. Guess not. Alright. Big long message here. Alright, so I think we're back live. So is that catching up to all that? Was that recording? A lot to figure out here. That's the streaming. Looks like Begley's doing some videos. Gotta love Begley. Alright, we'll leave it on the map. And I was just wrapping up here with Ezekiel. And I think it was 31. It was 31 and 12. And aliens, the most terrible of the nations, have cut it down and left it. Its branches have fallen on the mountains and in all the valleys. All boughs like broken by the rivers of the land, and all the peoples of the earth have gone from under its shadow. Well, to say the least, that's taken out of context, just reading that one. Let's see what's in the commentaries for Ezekiel 31:12. Tough crowd here. Definitely a tough crowd on the commentaries here for 31. But it says in 1 through 18, highly symbolic picture of the fall of the proud Pharaoh, Hophra, and his multitude, compared to the cutting down of a majestic tree, which was first represented Assyria and then Egypt. So I guess if you're in the Garden of Eden and you lose that and you're cast out, they're comparing trees, branches, rivers, land. These are all earthly things that can be taken away. But the truth, wisdom, and knowledge cannot, nor can your salvation. Alright. I hope you guys got more out of that than I did. Okay, now let's get to more earthly stuff. Let's check out what's going on with the quaking and the shaking and the accidents, everything. Got so many topics in this here as well. See some new icons flashing around. See all these blue icons flashing here. I don't know why. I'm seeing two mouse. I'm moving my pointer around. See a lot going on over here. Where is that? I'm not sure. It's Pacific. Solomon Islands, maybe. Alright. Okay, so let's scroll down. I just gotta see what you guys see here. Sometimes I like to shrink this larger. Alright, current emergencies. 3 days ago, still wild forest fires in Russia burning away there. They've increased the level of severity now on the scale of 0 to 5 to a level 4. Okay, so they're still having problems going on there. Short-term events from 2 hours ago down to looks like 20-something hours ago. I see a level 4, I'm sorry. In Bangladesh, extreme weather going on in Bangladesh. Let's click on that and get a description, see what's going on there with that. It says at least 11 persons, including 2 women, have been killed and many injured when a severe storm lashed out parts of Bangladesh. 4 persons were killed and over 100 houses were damaged as storm lashed, I can't pronounce that, district yesterday evening. 2 women killed in lightning at Shingabang in Chakakapawaka, Jewel. Also, 5 persons were killed when a boat carrying 6 passengers capsized in the Padma River in Durgabara area during the storm yesterday, the Daily Star reported. One of the passengers managed to swim ashore, and the bodies of 5 persons who went missing after the capsized event has been recovered. Oh, dear Lord, pray for them, folks. The storm left a trail of destruction, uprooting hundreds of trees, flattening many tin roofs and mud-built houses, and snapping road and rail communication facilities. Oof, this thing sounds like a Category 5. Oh, Lord. Bangladesh, that's pretty severe. Pray for them folks to reestablish their family and their loved ones. I gotta sneeze. Hold on. Praise God. Sorry, hope I didn't scare you. Okay. So that's a pretty bad severe weather over there. I'm hoping that's gone and done with. All right, the level 3 event in China, forest fire. Level 3 in USA, a power outage in Pennsylvania. Oh boy, hope that's not the Hagmans over there. That's from 9 hours ago. All right. USA, a flash flood in the state of Arkansas, level 3. Level 3, Cambodia, technical disaster. Let's click on that. I've never heard that used before, that term. They come up with new terms here sometimes too. What's considered a technical disaster? In Columbia City, said 20 people died after the collapse of a 6th-floor building. How is that a technical? Oh, dear Lord. Technological disaster. Was under construction without a license. Dear God. 20 people. On Sunday, said the building collapse that occurred Thursday about 11 a.m., injuring 23 people. 12 bodies have been identified so far. As a neighbor of this neighborhood, I am deeply moved by this tragedy. Rescue operations conclude. The cleanup efforts continue Monday. The area is closed. Oh, dear Lord, a mass is held to pay the respects. 2 floors were nearly completed. Were inhabited by residents. Oh, dear God. So not only are they working on this illegally, but they were inhabiting in it too. You got to get your permits, folks. You got to do these things the right way. There's reasons for that. Okay, still got a half a battery life. This is great. Okay, let's go back, see what else is shaking and quaking here in the world. Okay, so this was I think wrapping up for the short-term events. Indonesia vehicle accident. South Korea, that was the technological disaster. Still can't figure that why they named it that. Kuwait, biological hazard 2 days ago. All right, long time events. Only 1 day old. We got Fiji, epidemic hazard. Wildfires in Japan. Barbuda, Antigua and Barbuda, volcano activity. We have a level 3 in fire in Japan. The rest are 5 days old, 9, 10 days old. Not that they're not important. We're trying to just keep you up to date here with what limited time I have here. Okay, quakes. 17 minutes ago, 2.3, New Zealand, 2.2, 2.7. United States, Hawaii shaken. St. Helen, oh no, St. Helen, hope that's not Mount St. Helen. Atlantic Ocean, north, 5.4, 5.6. I do want to click on that and see if that says Mount St. Helen. It has a kind of shallow, 6.2 miles depth. Okay, let's see what's affected here. Come on, click. 000 for what's surrounding in the area. Volcanoes. No volcanoes within 100 kilometers. Okay, so I guess it's no, it says St. Helen. It doesn't say Mount St. Helen. All right, population Okay, it's out in the middle of the ocean, I think. Let's see if we can zoom out on this. Okay, you see a tiny island, see Georgetown. This is off the coast of Brazil. Okay. South Atlantic Ocean. Alright, we'll have to keep an eye on that. Shaking. If it was deep, I'd say it would be moving around like Dutch Sense explains. When it's deep, it usually follows a specific pattern. Alright, let's get back to our main map here. Okay, alright, so got some 2s and 3s. We got a 4 in Mexico, 2.3, 2.2, 2.6, 3 in Turkey, 3.0, 2.2, 3.6 in Alaska, 3.6 in Alaska, Mosquito Lake, the same one as yesterday, an hour ago, starting to shake again. Here it is, 2.0, 2.0, 2.1, 2.3, all in Mosquito Lake, Alaska. 5.1 Pacific Ocean East in Tonga, 5.1. Alaska again, 2.5. Europe, 2.6, 3.9 in Greece. On an island over there, 3.4, 4.3, 4.4 North America, Alaska, in Denali National Park. What's going on over there, Alaska? Is HARP rattling you? Alright, 3.7 in Peru. Okay, Chile, United States, Alaska, Mosquito Lake, 3.9, 3.9, 4.1, 4.0, 3.9. It's not going to stop, folks. What's going on there? But it's better to release in these small quakes than one big one. I believe Dutch Sense explained it as it's 10. It's 10, like if you had 10, like 10 3.9s equal, I think like a 4.0 or something. It's better to have these small ones than larger ones because it's releasing pressure. All right, Yucatan, Alaska, 2.9. Hawaii, 2.8, 2.8. What's going on over there in the Pacific? Mosquito Lakes, 2.0, 2.0. More Alaska, 4.1, 4.1 in Attic. Okay, 2.2, 2.8, 3, 3, 2, 2.3.3, 3, 3.8, Mexico, 3.4, 4.3 in Asia. Okay, 3s, 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 3, 2, 3, 5. More Alaska, more Alaska. 3.2, 4.1 Africa, 4.4 South America. Okay, bunch of 3s, 2s, 3.9. More Alaska, Mosquito Lake, 2.9, 2.5, 3.9, 3.9. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is some aftershock. I've never seen so many aftershocks. Alright, let's see if we got anything for tsunamis, for the warnings here. Let's see. All past, nothing recent. They don't put this. Baffling. 3 days ago, 6.9. A warning in the Philippines, nothing. Alright, volcano activity report. May 2nd, unnamed. Azerbaijan Peninsula. Let's see if we get a map for that. But no severity levels. Minimal to life and threatened property. Responsive action not required. Observed, determined to have occurred or be ongoing. Let's go with a description. A mud volcano erupted in the suburb of Baku on May 2nd. The Ministry of Ecology and Natural Resources told APA that it received information about the eruption of Lokapatan mud volcano located on the shore of the Caspian Sea about 15 kilometers southeast of Baku. The volcano is not included in the State Natural Reserve of the group of mud volcanoes of Baku and Asheron Peninsula. The operational group of the reservoir employees is carrying out observations on the site. 25 Lac Batan mud volcano, registered in 1810, is one of the five most active volcanoes in the world. Wow, okay. So it's very active, the volcano. All right, let's get back to the map here. I think we're going to just check out the near-Earth objects from NASA. Sure, make a quick look at the quakes, make sure nothing new just popped up. Okay, active tropical storms. Okay, Francis went bye-bye. Okay, super volcano monitoring system. Okay, nothing new. What's that, May 2nd? What's that? State of California. North America, USA, South California. Let's click on that. Oh, we got two over here. One in Japan. Alright, Long Valley is a depression in eastern California adjacent to Mammoth Mountain. The valley is one of the largest another mosquito, Lake Mosquito, and just popped up, 2.5 in Alaska. The valley is one of the largest cauldras on Earth, measuring about 20 miles long, east-west, and 11 miles wide, north-south. The elevation of the floor caldera is, alright, this is just giving a description here of it, a very long description. Alright, if you guys want to read this, you can get the link below. State of California. Summary, map, population. Okay. So there are a lot of volcanoes over here. Let's see what the population. So it's just southeast of Sacramento. Let's see what we got for population. Alright. So there's nothing around there. Okay, wrapping it up. Let's get back to, let's see what kind of near-Earth objects we got. BP Earthwatch did a video the other day. I think it was explaining how the comet Halley comes around, I think, only so many years, 70 years or something. And its debris trail is of concern. Today we got two near-Earth objects passing, and not exactly, again, their distance unknown because of this website's or NASA's measuring has changed or something. So you can go on that other website, the livemeteors.com, and get the pings, and you get the, I guess, what's coming, what's skipping across the atmosphere there. It's hard to, it doesn't give you trajectory or tell you, like, it doesn't show you